Ever wondered why hiccups exist and why sneezes are so hard to stop? Hiccups are basically your brain lagging. Your diaphragm contracts for no reason, your throat closes, and suddenly, hic. It's an old reflex from evolution that today does absolutely nothing except embarrass you in public. Sneezes are different. They're your body on a mission. Once your brain detects an irritant, it builds pressure, activates multiple nerves, and there's no turning back. That's why stopping a sneeze feels impossible. Hiccups are confusion. Sneezes are commitment.